Have you ever wondered why China, a country so different from ours, is also so fascinating? It's a nation brimming with paradoxes and surprises, a place where ancient traditions coexist with futuristic innovations. The story of China is a tapestry woven over 5,000 years, a rich history filled with dynasties that rose and fell, leaving behind an enduring legacy. Journey across its vast landscapes, from the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the bustling metropolis of Shanghai, and you'll discover a geographical diversity that's as varied as its culture. Here, the old and new converge in a remarkable blend. You'll find skyscrapers towering over centuries-old temples and high-speed trains darting through landscapes dotted with traditional rice fields. China is not just a country, it's an enigma, a riddle waiting to be solved. Its unique culture, lifestyle, and traditions are what make it so captivating. So, let's embark on this journey to unravel the secrets of China, a country where the past meets the future. Did you know that China is home to one of the world's oldest civilizations? A land steeped in over 5,000 years of rich history, China's chronicles are as vast as they are mesmerizing. From the Xia dynasty, the first in recorded history, to the Qing, the last imperial dynasty, each era left an indelible mark, shaping the China we know today. China's ancient inventors gave the world the compass, gunpowder, paper-making, and printing, four great inventions that propelled human progress. And let's not forget the profound philosophies of Confucius and Laozi, whose teachings continue to influence societal norms and personal values globally. Fast forward to today, and you'll see a China that's an integral player in global affairs, driving economic growth and technological advancements, all while cherishing its ancient roots. Its journey from an ancient civilization to a modern powerhouse is truly awe-inspiring. From the Great Wall to the Silk Road, China's past is indeed a treasure trove of stories. China's lifestyle, much like its history, is a blend of the old and the new. Amidst the skyscrapers and bustling cities, you'll find a people deeply rooted in tradition, yet swiftly adapting to the modern world. Work ethic in China is a testament to their tenacity. They believe in diligence and perseverance, values passed down through generations. As the sun rises, so does the nation, ready to face the challenges of a new day. Social norms in China emphasize respect, particularly towards elders, and harmony within the community. It's not uncommon to see people practicing Tai Chi in parks or engaging in friendly games of Mahjong, a traditional Chinese game. The influence of technology on China's lifestyle is undeniable. Apps like WeChat have transformed everyday life, making shopping, banking, and communication a seamless experience. Indeed, to understand China, one must understand its people and their way of life. From the rice fields to the tech hubs, each aspect offers a glimpse into the heart of the Middle Kingdom. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of China? For many, it's the food. And what an extraordinary culinary adventure it is. China's food culture is as diverse as its vast terrain. From the bustling street food markets where you can sample spicy Sichuan dumplings to the high-end restaurants serving delicate Cantonese dim sum, every corner of China offers a unique taste experience. But it's not just about the variety of dishes. Food in China plays a significant role in festivities and traditions. The Lunar New Year, for instance, is incomplete without a feast that includes dishes symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. Or take the Mid-Autumn Festival, where mooncakes take center stage, their round shape symbolizing completeness and reunion. So when you dive into Chinese cuisine, you're not just satisfying your palate, you're partaking in a rich tapestry of traditions, stories, and celebrations. Food in China is not just sustenance, it's an integral part of the culture. As we reach the end of our journey, let's revisit some of the most amazing facts and secrets about China. This nation, steeped in ancient history, is renowned for its rich cultural tapestry and vibrant modern lifestyle. The Dragon's Tale, as we've learned, is a fascinating saga of dynasties, emperors, and the rise of a powerful civilization. Turning to the heart of the Middle Kingdom's lifestyle, we've delved into the daily routines, the hustle and bustle of city life, and the tranquility of the countryside. We've savored the flavors of China's culinary adventure, a gastronomical journey that tantalizes the taste buds with its diversity and complexity. But there's more to China than meets the eye. Did you know that China has the largest population of any country in the world? Or that it's home to the longest man-made structure, the Great Wall of China? From its ancient past to its bustling present, China remains an enigma, a country full of surprises and secrets waiting to